right, go for it.
All right, what's up, guys? You know, we at this Raider Palooza. Sobe Vlogs. We're trying to find Justin because this nigga hasn't been in an episode for like.
We haven't seen him in a long time.
4 episodes, I think it is.
You know, after Miss Frau, he kind of disappeared.
Yeah.
No, he's not Miss Frau, just Frau. But you know, we're gonna find him today, and we're also gonna play some games.
Yeah, it's so hot out here. It's like, I think it's slavery. I feel like. Crazy.
What's good, Sorby followers? It's been a while, but now I'm back. Got the crew.
He's wearing my shirt.
Come on, why'd you do that? I don't even understand. Live and what?
Can I just take a second to appreciate?
This is the only thing he has going for him. He can dance. He can't talk. He's not good looking. He don't got money. What, Musa? He can just dance. He just want to flex for the white people.
Double lunch today, bro. I'm about to gain like 10 pounds today.
Flex on what? I'm hungry. You want to flex for the white people. Why? Show the white people you got money.
So, Musa's about to venture in this hamster ball. And to be honest, I'm actually scared because I'm a little claustrophobic and I feel like I would die in that.
This is Mixlot Production.
Where's the line though? See, these kids don't know nothing about shooting. Look at this. Oh man, look at this. Horrible form. Disgusting. That was a nice shot. That was a nice shot. He played CYO. That was like God shot through him. It's raining. It's raining already. This is not a drill. This is not a drill.
Whoa! Yo! The camera doesn't look waterproof.
All right, what's happening?
Yo, it's pouring. It's absolutely pouring out here right now. It's wet as hell.
Musa, what's going on?
I don't know where Ryan is. It was crazy. I had to leave him.
Justin is stupid. He ran across the field. All the way across the field.
No, we got like 2 hours left. I'm about to get lit.
I might have to go put the camera in the car.
I think I might have to go back out there.
All right, just in case you guys close this out. Here, get this.
So it's been another vlog with Musa, Justin, and yeah, we out here in Fairport.
It just rained right now.
About to graduate. It's raining pretty hard right now. I think everybody's going back inside.
We lost Justin and Ryan, but you know, this is every man for himself.
Every man for himself, especially during slavery, bro. Slavery, when it rained, we still had to work. What is he doing?
All right, that's good. Setting up the time lapse.